what's up. About to install this bass now here, but I'm gonna modify it so it'll fit into this right here. I moved the parking light, actually it's the fog light thing, over on this side, so I'm gonna use this one right here. Drill a hole. Drill a hole right in the middle or something. I already took this apart. That came right off of them. Put this back a little. Put that back a little. Like that. And yes, I know I talk real low in my videos, but whatever. Alright, as you can see, don't mind the church bell in the back, but I lined them up. Made a little pilot hole with a nail, so I'm about to drill it with a 1/4 inch drill bit. And that shit should be perfect. So I got that in already. I'm doing it by myself, so I couldn't record while I was doing it, but see how it's in there. Got a double-sided tape up there, sticking out right here. And it's pretty dope because all you gotta do is stick this little bitch back in, and bam, fucking nice. Look at that shit. Stop. Bass now. Right in there. Pretty fucking cool. Not center. That shit's so dope. But yeah, it's like almost 5:30, and I haven't even got around to putting that shit in yet. But I had to go buy some more remote wire. I'm about to do it real quick. I'll probably do the Browns another time since I'm not putting in my amp in anytime soon. So, alright, as you can see, I got this bottom pair vacuum. Really fucking slick, you know? What I basically did was move the fog light this side, then come over here and install this. Be cool.